Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radhadevi Dasi with a quick and refreshing recipe. It's summer and mango time. Whenever we visit the market, we will find mangoes all around. Today, we will make very famous aam panna or raw mango juice. This Indian drink has heat resistant properties. Aam panna has a sweet and tangy taste and served cool to make it a perfect summer cool beverage. So let's begin. Here I have taken 2 raw mangoes which weigh half kg. These are long in shape and not very sour. Now peel both of these like this. Both the mangoes have been peeled. Now cut the mangoes into small pieces and similarly cut both the mangoes. These mangoes are really healthy as our body needs all kinds of taste. Mango is a good ingredient for sour flavor. The aam panna tastes great and stays fresh for weeks. I have cut both the mangoes into pieces. Further, I have taken cooker here. Add the mango pieces and 1.5 cup of water. Now close the lid and let the mangoes for 3 whistles on medium flame. After 3 whistles, I have cooled and the temperature has come down. Let's delid the cooker. You can see the mangoes have softened and become mushy. Now add 1 plus 1/4 cup of jaggery, and this is hot so the jaggery will melt easily. Plus I have also cut it fine so it will combine quickly. Here we are not adding any sugar rather than using jaggery, and this combination suits best. The jaggery has mixed well. Now add 2 teaspoon black salt and 2 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. Mix all this well. The combo of roasted cumin powder and black salt is amazing and gives a cool feeling. This has mixed well. This mixture has cooled down. Now take a mixie jar and add the cooled mixture and grind it into a paste. I have made it into a paste. You can see there are no fibrous threads as we had used those mangoes. Let's transfer this into a bowl, and it's around half liter. You can store this in the fridge for 1 week. And if you like to store it for entire year, you can store it in an airtight container in freezer. Let's serve it. For this, in the same mixie jar, add 8 to 10 mint leaves. This is for 2 serving. Add 1/4 cup mango pulp that we had prepared. Now add 2 glasses of water. Grind all this together so that it combines well. With this, our aam panna with minty punch is ready. Now take glass, add few ice cubes. This is optional. If you like, you can add. Now pour in the aam panna that we had prepared. Now place a tulsi leaf and offer to Thakurji. Our cool and refreshing aam panna is offered and ready. Try it out this summer without fail. I have listed down all the ingredients below in the description box. You can refer it. If you like Bhoga recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any Bhoga recipe. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol.